Alright, good evening once more. If you're just joining us with us, good evening to you. Welcome to the show. We call this Upnlive. We go here each and every Tuesday, 9 p.m. until 11 on TGM Radio. And we have a very, very special guest with us this evening. He goes by the name of OhMeOMy. And when I say that, I'm not talking about Garnet single. So we need to discuss the name first and foremost. Welcome to the show, Mr. OhMeOMy. What's good, brother?
I'm here Upnlive. I'm here at them to the world. And I appreciate you for having me here, you know. It's a blessing and these kind of things being here, you know.
Of course.
So, big up on yourself, you don't know, to the world.
It's a must. Give thanks. First thing I must want ask you, explain the name for me.
Well, OhMeOMy, the name itself speaks for itself. It's like a joy. It's a name where...
It's a happy name.
Or an expression. Oh me, oh my.
Oh, pretty baby, don't. Hey, we can't get lyrics, you know.
Everybody, when they made the name OhMeOMy, right away, them kind of like think about Garnet Silk and things, you know, which obviously Garnet Silk set a trend while he was on Earth and these sort of things, you know.
Yeah.
Bless him, you see it.
I'm talking the microphone because I can't hardly hear into this.
You see it, like, OhMeOMy, I get that name as a child, seeing, what I mean by as a child, like, at the age of like 11.
Okay.
Cause 11 I start doing music and these sort of things and like start getting to it into one talent thing like from 12 enter one competition and these sort of things.
So how long have you been doing it now?
Well, logically, realistically, I would say like 10 years now.
Okay.
I wouldn't really put in the childhood and these sort of things, you know, but I would say 10 years.
10 years now you've been recording?
Yeah, 10 years now I've been like in the industry, like doing these sort of things.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you're a dancehall artist, right?
I am a universal artist.
You're a universal artist. So it's a new title. It's a new universal.
Yeah, universal.
Artist. Okay, we get that. And you do mostly universal music, I would think. You do.
Don't put the man in a box, man.
No, that's why.
We're not in a box.
We're not in a box.
Okay.
You see it?
No left, no right.
You see it at them.
Some of your recordings are some of the songs that you did. Can you just run us through like a couple of songs that you did?
Like I do like songs like I got a bit of like cultural song, like, you know, like a bit of kind of like low tempo, you know, not much of the high tempo like into 120s drives and.
Okay, so you're basically a conscious artist. You do conscious music.
I do conscious music. I also do like all music for the ladies and these sort of things. That's why they would put it in the category of dancehall and all these sort of things, you know. So I do all sorts of mixtures of music, you know, which people can relate to and dance to and all these sort of things. Okay. You know?
And you 2019 here now, you're hitting the scene. You have a brand new track. It's called I'll look at the name just now, you know, I slip my mind. Let me find it again so I don't make any mistakes while I'm here. And Fame. Explain that for me in that song.
Full enough game. Fame.
Yeah, the track is entitled Fame. Talk me through that one.
Well, Fame is coming off on a level of like technically for everybody for like getting to it in a certain form, a way of like say you have drive within you. You know, you're not just particularly into just one thing, you know. There's all sort of things about it when you talk about say fame, game, you know.
So is that what the song's saying? Now you're saying that basically the song is saying. I'm trying to understand what the song is saying because my concept I got from the song is that people hyping because they're fame and they don't reach somewhere. That's what I was thinking. But you telling me that it is about
basically you have like say I would put it in like say two category. Yeah, you have category where people can relate to it into that form of way. Yeah. Where it's like say, them got game and all these sort of things, and you have a next side where it's like people hype and them don't have nothing for sure, nothing now go on.
Yeah, that's what I get from it in the first place.
Yeah, you see it. Okay. It's like this minute you see them and all these sort of things, but behind a closed door is like a different.
So basically, you're taking a job at the social media, like the people in the social media who's pretending they have this and have that, and that's so. Is that the? I'm not putting words in your more to say, but was that the direction of the song?
Not directly people on social media, but people in general.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
You understand where I come from? Because not many people are on the social media that does certain things or do certain things.
Makes
you understand
sense.
where I come from? So I wouldn't just put it in the category of say, social media. You understand?
The first time when we got approached, I was looking at your socials and I was trying to get your name, but the first thing that came up to me was, I don't know if you want people know your government name and here. So that name was the name that came up to me. You know what name I'm talking about?
Okay.
So
yeah.
how?
Well,
Because I didn't see your
Heinz,
art.
Heinz, I got no problem with the Heinz, and I got no problem with hiding the Heinz, cause in a different farm, you know, my brother play for West Ham.
Yeah.
He's having Heinz, but differently, Heinz is one category. OhMeOMy is the next category.
Okay.
You know, so if I deal with OhMeOMy, I deal with OhMeOMy.
Okay.
You know?
Because the reason why I said that is because we made an honest mistake of putting out the
Try that Heinz.
Yeah.
Try that Heinz.
Because I thought that was your stage name.
No. Jesus Christ. You see it? You understand?
Oh, me,
well,
oh,
you don't
my.
know, you know, it's like you have some people in the world know me as Anthony Heinz.
Yeah.
You have some people out in the world know me as Try. And you have another people out in the world know me as OhMeOMy.
Okay.
You understand? So it's just for us put them together and them is all one when you really check it out.
That's all right. That's
a
not
one
big,
person.
That's a
It's one person,
big
yeah.
thing. So what's your direction for 2019? What are you hoping to do, and what are you hoping to accomplish for this rest of the year?
Well, 2019 is at them. I may say at them, and it's always forever at them. So 2019, I want my fans and followers to literally look out for the album, because I've done an EP.
Yeah.
So it's out there for the fans them.
What's the name of the EP?
She's Calling.
She's Calling.
So you can stream it on Spotify
Okay.
and all these social medias.
How many tracks you have on it?
You have 8 tracks on it.
8 tracks.
Yeah.
Quick run on the list. She's Mine is the title.
She's Calling is the
She's
title.
Calling is the title of the EP, and the tracks you got 8 tracks on it. Track 1, track 2 is.
You got track that's on it. It's Know About Them. You got She's Calling as the title.
Yeah.
You also got Party Up.
Yep.
And you also got Eyes is like a romantic kind of thing. Different.
It's a lover. You say the lover side, yeah?
Lover side. And you also have a tune called Brave.
Okay.
Yeah. And few more. So it's just for the fans them to go and check it out and see directly what I'm on about.
So what's the feel of the EP? Was it like a party vibes, or was it not? Because sometimes artists do EP depicting on the mood that we're in at the time of the life, or maybe you're going through something. Was it that like a party EP, or was it a reflectional EP, or is it also a love story? What's happening?
It's a mixture. It's a mixture. I would say it's a mixture. Cause you got a bit of party style in it. You got a bit of like lover side in it. You got a bit of like side to it, you know.
Normal.
Yeah.
We have to find a one for that style. Like that style is different.
Yeah.
People, so for everybody that's watching right now or listening to us right now, who has never heard OhMeOMy, what would you like someone to take from this interview today?
Well, from this interview, for those who all have not heard of me or known about me, no sorts, I want you to go and check me out on all the medias. Check out my EP, which I'm directly talking about not too long ago, which is called She's Calling.
Yeah.
It's on all media, streaming, Spotify. You go check it out and see what I'm talking about. Not to mention, I also got a mix CD out there called Me Don't Know About Them.
Okay.
You know? So you need to go check out that mix CD on YouTube and see the feelings. You understand? Yeah.
Makes sense. If you could just give me a quick rundown about yourself, like other than music, could you just tell us about OhMeOMy? How is OhMeOMy on a day other than not doing music?
Well, other than a day than not doing music, is technically right now I'm on the farming field. Cause you don't know in England is the farming field.
Yeah, listen.
Yeah.
Farming is a very productive field right now. I wish I knew a bit more about farming. Money is in farming right now.
Them say what you reap is what you sow.
Which is right.
Yeah, so I'm on the farming field.
Yeah.
And the farming field, I don't know grungs me have to go on on the grungs and militant it out. You know what I'm trying to say?
Okay.
Which really and truly, me a militant it out and I stored it out, but the crumbs me I get. You know what I'm trying to say? But when they on the crumbs thing, that's how I say.
But he's a farmer. Listen, people, if you knew on the benefits of farming, if you go to the higher end of it, there is money in farming. But for the people, the masses who just doing it for themselves, to eat where you grow and grow where you eat, you ain't gonna see the benefits. You ain't gonna see the big lump sum, but you might get the benefit of eating your own food or good product. But the financial side is huge because I've checked into farming recently, and my hands probably get dirty very soon. So look out for Upnlive doing a bit of farming. I like it.
Yeah, so on the day-to-day basis, it's like I do a lot of sightseeing because it's delivery I do.
I do deliveries as well.
Yeah, it's delivery I do, directly delivery. Monday to Friday, delivery. You know what I say? So I have to make the kids them eat.
So what you think you can bring to the game to change the game so people say, listen, me have to say OhMeOMy, buy a OhMeOMy music. What do you think you bring?
OhMeOMy is full enough style, full enough game, full of energetic, full of stage appearance. You know, when you check me out live directly, you have to feel that energy and feel a different motion and vibes. That's why I say one motion, we them can program to the world.
Which is right. Them. I like that. I like the energy. So people, make sure you go out there and support his music. Support him on all social media, all digital platforms. Make sure you go and stream his music. He's on Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube, all that. So everybody that's watching now, can you just give us some social how I can find you and find the music online?
Well, you could also check out my Wikipedia.
Wikipedia?
Yeah, you could check out my Wikipedia if you want.
What should we search for?
Just search for OhMeOMy. Once you type in OhMeOMy and don't spell it wrong, where you have to type twice.
Give us the correct spelling so people
the correct spelling
is
as what you see as you post it out on the media.
Yeah.
Is OhMeOMy.
OhMeOMy. Exactly how it sound. Exactly how it is.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're gonna do right now, this is the part of the show where we just have a little vibe and we just build and chill. You see, you're good for that?
Good for that.
Alright, so people, if you're on the Facebook now, make sure you comment, tell us what's going on. Tell us what's good if you go on with things, if you not go on with things, make we know. And also you can follow this video back onto our YouTube channel, that's Upnlive Show. We're gonna be posting all the videos from this interview there, and there's loads more. Whole heap more today. So people, if you're a friend of the show, you're used to the show, you know what happens now, right? If you're not, stick and stay and watch where I go on. Hey, it's the voice of OhMeOMy. When you're ready, brother, the microphone is yours. You ready?
Nowadays a congees now linger. Tough y'all out there by ice pan finger. This me consider increase me fruits, me peanut, me tonic and me ginger. Nowadays a congees now linger. Tough y'all out there by ice pan finger. This me consider increase me fruits, me peanut, me tonic and this thing, girl thing, big thing, slim thing, fun thing, healthy hearty thing. Me love to see the girl in the shorty thing. I Sean Julie Jacqueline, man tackling and uckling. So me work begin and the style me bring. Can boss them and carry this thing and life. Bring the girl them over me yard. Girl from local, girl from abroad. Shelly and Kelly say they party hard. Ready for the belly feel something well large. So the braggy pop and the teaching drop. Shelly pants up, why Kelly keep back. Kelly take a turn, why Shelly take a nap. I saw me have the girl them a rock. Jump. At them, at them, at them.
Yeah, you may stop it. You ready again to stop? Alright, go on again, let's go.
Sure, hey. I made the girl lemma, I made the girl lemma, I made the girl lemma look fire, yes. I made the girl lemma cook fire, yes. I made them all a bill up fire, yes. I made them all a write book fire. I made the girl them a look fire, yes. I made the girl them a cook fire, yes. I made them all a bill up fire, yes. I made them all a ride. Hey, hey, hey. Truth see me with me girl, she get pics. And I tell me say be dog a link a 10. No she a phone and a text pics. You see your thing a member, you see your thing a member, you see your thing a member. Yeah, hear me? Once again, at them, at them, at them, at them. My, yeah, hear me? My girl, step in a my girl, the eye bright like diamond and pearl. Should the body come down and curl. Girl love together, feel right at night underneath moonlight. My girl, step in a my girl, the eye bright like diamond and pearl. Should the body come down and curl. Me and you together feel right till daylight I get to the pint. Me love the dainty look, me not gonna lie. Me check for the pump and the breast and the tie. Wash it eye, let a gal dey pass by. We don't get to know the oh me, oh my. What the gal them in a Benz and Bima. I show the wrist platinum pan the finger. Any gal with the friend me know she's a winner. Cause me is a DJ, she could be the singer. Singer, gonna win a blinger. Swinger, go down to the dance and dinner. Trips to the cinema, pack roll we inna. Kingstar ball like a celly ringer. Ringer, I sing it inna. Bring her to the middle, make she bust a toe spinner. Lose couple pound waistline, feel slimmer. Back to the villa bubble out and me just in my Michael. Step in a Michael, the eye bright like diamond and pearl. She the want to come down and curl. Your love together feel right at night and the name more light. My Cha, I want to them.
People. Oh, me, you know, me almost say try irons. You know, really. Big up to everybody that's back in the people. Remember the Facebook. If you like, thumbs up. If you don't like, thumbs down. Comment, tell me what I go on. You know what the strips is. You know what's good, what's going on right here. Each and every Tuesday is an Upnlive show. Try irons. See it? I know me I got to try irons, you know. Because you know why? We keep seeing the same name. But anyway, it's OhMeOMy. People get it right? Freestyle, I go on with the things. Because I look like you come prepared. You come strap, you know.
Pick me.
Yeah.
I mean, say, you know, to the world, you know.
You say thumbs up.
Rasta say thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Are you first thumbs up here?
Yeah.
Alright.
You understand?
That means you go on with that thing.
Respect.
So you go on with something.
I never prepared for it, you know, but you don't know when you dip on the grungs, you just have to deal with it.
Because you're a versatile artist.
Of course.
You know, no preparation is needed if you're versatile.
It's not versatile. This is what
he's universal.
Universal.
You understand? Put on some bombings and drop something. He's a universal artist.
You know what? From today, I use that word, you know, that universal.
You can't even manline, my G.
Well,
are we allowed to? It's a trademark.
You know, a lot of my lines people take differently, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? Them.
Just before we go, can we just give us some more social media name for you and how we can find again? Give us some social media again.
Well, you don't know, you can log on to all the medias and the search for OhMeOMy. And you can even check out all my website as well. It's OhMeOMy. Same way, but you just put in the www.ohmeomy.com. Forward,
sorry.
The girl them say.
I'm not a girl, sir. I'm a woman.
The girl them say.
All right.
www.ohmeomy.com. Right. You see, don't get it wrong again.
Forward. You see me?
Forward. Don't get
All right.
COM. Don't get it wrong again. You see it once again.
Give thanks. Thank you very much for passing through the Upnlive show. People do go and support his music. I know wicked vibes right here. The freestyle opener. Member people. If you like it just right now, you miss something, man. Cause you know, try. You have to try irons. OhMeOMy. That name never take a while for the stick. You know why? Cause we see the artist every week. I know me always I call him Try. So when he tell me a new name, I'm like, it take a while for he's so keen. But he's not so keen, right? So stick and say it's approximately 26 minutes coming up with the